अगर ईश्वर पर भरोसा है तो वो पाओगे जो तुम्हारी किस्मत में लिखा है, लेकिन अगर खुद पर भरोसा है तो ईश्वर भी वो लिखेगा जो तुम चाहोगे। Hi there, this is Gaurav Gupta, your life and business success strategist. Welcome to the Daily Snippets. This video might probably be the most important video you've seen in a long time, so do watch it till the end. I want to talk to you about two people. The first one, her life has been a series of unfortunate events, circumstances and happenings. It was as if Lady Luck has written her off the list. She was born in 1970s and at a very early age she started becoming a little inactive. Doctors could not diagnose the problem with her because the medical science at that time in India was not that advanced. It was in her 20s that doctors discovered she had a spinal tumor. She had to undergo 3 surgeries with 300 plus stitches. She was neck down paralyzed, as good as a dead body, with no bowel or body control. Her husband had to quit his job to take care of her, and her life has been very tough. Cruel, but that's how life is sometimes for some people. The second person, this lady, her life has been as if Lady Luck is just smiling on her. She has a husband and 2 loving daughters. She ran a successful catering business. She followed her passion for sports, and following that passion, she got lots of medals for the country. She's an adventurer, a biker, a rallyist. She's a motivational speaker, a model. She's a winner of 5 presidential awards, including Arjuna Award, Kiratna and Padma Shri. She's also Sir Edmund Hillary, Prime Minister's New Zealand Fellow. And UN Women India and Niti Aayog has named her as Women Inspiring India. What a wonderful life. Life has its ways. It is cruel to somebody and it has some favorites. That's normally how we all think. But what if I were to tell you that these are not 2 different people I'm talking about? This is the same person I'm talking to you about. I'm sure you will be very, very astonished. Yes, friends, I'm talking about Dr. Deepa Malik, the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympics. Dr. Deepa's body might have been neck down paralyzed, but her soul is unstoppable. I recently had the good fortune of meeting Dr. Deepa, and I asked her, Dr. Deepa, what keeps you so charged up, so energetic, and what makes you so unstoppable? She said, Gaurav, I'm unstoppable because I'm soul happy. My body might not be supporting me, but my soul is a happy soul, and that's what actually pushes me through. So I asked Dr. Deepa, how can my viewers be soul happy? Here is what she said. She said, Gaurav, anybody can be soul happy if they find 4 things and they choose 4 things. So what are these 4 things? She said, find your identity, find your dreams, find your purpose, find your release. Let's look at it. Find your identity. Dr. Deepa refused to be identified as a paralyzed body. Her identity was that she's a soul. She has dreams and she will achieve those dreams, and that's what she did. Find your dreams. Dr. Deepa's dream was bigger than anything else. People around her said, "Ye bichari kya karegi? What will she do? She is paralyzed." She said, nobody else defines your dreams but you and your soul. She had dreams and she followed those dreams. Find your purpose. Dr. Deepa said that you have to find your purpose or your ikigai in life. You have to commit to something larger than yourself. Then every limitation just ceases to exist. She might be limited to a wheelchair, but her purpose in life is to make other people able beyond their disabilities and instill hope and joy and faith in lots of people across the globe. Number 4, find your release. Dr. Deepa's release is sports. She says you have to find something which actually takes you above all the problems and challenges, and you get so much lost in it that you discover yourself. The next thing to be soul happy is choose. Choose your attitude, choose your response, choose your disciplines, choose your life. Let's look at it. Choose your attitude. I asked Dr. Deepa, you're not able to walk. Had you been able to walk, you would have done much, much more than this. You know what was her response? She said, Gaurav, do you know what is the most overrated thing on the planet? It's legs. Wow, what an attitude. Nothing can bring her down. Choose your response. Dr. Deepa shared that every time she travels to various places, she has to be carried out of the train or plane and people have to literally pick her up. People around her often say, how sad, she's just like a dead body, people have to carry her. She said, what's her response? Her response always has been, people also carry rock stars and queens, and she is a rock star and a queen. Definitely she's on top of her game. So choose your attitude, choose your response, choose your disciplines. Dr. Deepa's daily rigorous physical and mental exercise routines would put anybody under question that whether they can actually do this or not. It is so tough that even for a normal human being, it would be difficult to do, but she's committed to it because she knows her disciplines is what gives her strength and push her forward. And number 4, choose life. No matter what her physical condition would be, she's chosen to be soul happy and live for a bigger and larger purpose. She's running an NGO called Wheeling Happiness and is impacting lives of people around the globe. So if somebody who's neck down paralyzed can achieve so much in life just by finding and choosing, you, my friends, can actually astonish yourself and the world. So go, find and choose. Find your purpose, find your dreams, find your identity, find your release. Choose your attitude, choose your response, choose your disciplines, and choose life. When I asked Dr. Deepa, what is the excuse people have? If somebody like you has achieved so much, I think everybody else is just hiding behind the excuses. You know what she said? She said, Gaurav, अगर ईश्वर पर भरोसा है तो वो पाओगे जो तुम्हारी किस्मत में लिखा है, लेकिन अगर खुद पर भरोसा है तो ईश्वर भी वो लिखेगा जो तुम चाहोगे. So stay blessed, keep rocking, stay inspired and achieve tremendous amount of stuff and be unstoppable. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.